Snag linens, torn fabrics, and constant conveyor interruptions. These problems plague laundry operations daily, costing you time, money, and productivity. Hi, I'm Dan Tuttle, and I'm here to introduce a revolutionary solution that's transforming the laundry industry. The ARK-150, a precision-engineered lacer designed specifically for fastening Flexco's laundry patch fastener. In laundry facilities, traditional hook fasteners create a persistent challenge. They catch on sheets and linens, creating tears and disrupting the entire conveying process. The ARK-150 eliminates this problem entirely. This lacer is engineered to work seamlessly with Flexco laundry patch fasteners, including both clipper and anchor varieties. The operation is simple. Insert the laundry patch fastener into the lacer, then the belt into the fastener. During operation, the unit heats up the glue on the patch fastener and securely fastens the hooks to the belt. Simply remove the belt, place it in the cooling jaws, and seal it perfectly. The result is a covered splice with no catch points or hook protrusions that creates a tight seal, allowing for a seamless transition between belt and fastener. In turn, facilities reduce maintenance needs and minimize unscheduled downtime. Current industry methods require workers to manually install hooks into the belt, then use chemicals or heat to install a patch. This is a very labor-intensive process that produces inconsistent results. The ARK-150 completes the same task in under 20 seconds while delivering superior quality laundry patches. This unit includes built-in ergonomic adjustment options, safety tongs, gauge pins, and a jaw scraper for comprehensive functionality. Transform your laundry operations efficiency with Flexco's ARK-150. For more information on the ARK-150, or any other Flexco solutions, visit www.flexco.com.